in the chart. 23 and 8 tenths plus 72 and 4 tenths equals N. And so the first step to do is write the decimal point in column. 23 and 8 tenths plus 72 and 4 tenths equals N. The second step is solve it like a full number. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Bring down 2, carry 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4, plus 2 equals 6. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Bring down 9. And then copy the decimal point. And the answer is 96 and 2 tenths. Here are examples. Please answer this, Roberto.
Give another answer. Give another answer.
14 and 7 tenths plus 6 and 8 tenths equals N. Answer this, Brian.
Taxi ba?
$15.8 and 1800 plus 19 and 1700. Please answer, Daniela. $20 and 4 tenths plus 16.7 tenths equals N. Please answer, Eunice. Six and 7 tenths plus 3 and 8 tenths. Please answer, Patricia. Okay, class. Your answers are all right. And that's our lesson for today.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Ma'am Loyola. Taas noo rin